Alright, SkyWest something. I'll get the flight number here in just a second. Departing runway 4 at Tyler Pounds Regional Airport. The date is December the 17th. It's approximately 10:30 a.m. As they get ready to go here. It is, and I'm also Alright, we are recording on both devices now. I know it's kind of blurry on the phone there. The camera's gonna turn out better, obviously. Check zoom on the camera, we're good. Whoa, my phone camera is horrible. Thrust being set. This YouTube short may not turn out. Ah, there's a car coming. Dang it. Bad timing. Right. And they're rotating. Gorgeous. So I try to find them there on my phone. Not really having any luck. But there they go. Off to Dallas Fort Worth International Airport. Let's get the flight number on that sucker real quick. Load flight radar. Not supposed to be. Not loading departures at Tyler. SkyWest 3082. Now invisible. There is a Beach 200 Super King Air, or Super King Air 200, whatever, on final now for runway 36 at Pounds. Right there. And track it all the way down. Even through the trees. I know, I see it. I see it. I see it. Right there for a nice landing on 3-6. Alright, we have a plane. Let me zoom in on it. This was kind of impromptu, so I'll get the details in just a second. Just to kind of overfly the airport there, gear down, all that good stuff. I think that's a fixed gear though. So, who knows? Looks like it had a final aircraft of the day. It's a Cirrus SR-22 on final for 36 here at Pound. Registered November 518 Mike Delta. It's about to cross Highway 31, so I'll be back when that is in. Alright, that's our final aircraft of the day. November 518 Mike Delta. Cirrus SR-22. Basically just white color, a little striking on the sides. You can see that a little bit better here in just a second. A little bit of ATC. I have ATC as well, just because unfortunately we can't catch those aircraft. Turn that down though. Just get a full sound of that engine. Full zoom on, and there it is. They're full stop today, so that is